I've been wanting a new desk for some time now. Something that makes you say, that's a pretty neat desk. I'm sick of scrolling through Instagram and YouTube and feeling like the only programmer without a dope desk setup. I want to start out this new year strong, and because working from home isn't going anywhere in the near future, I decided to pull the trigger on a brand new desk setup. So I bought my new desk, impulsively bought things that I don't need from Amazon, and I got to work. I'm going to be transforming this lame, boring desk setup from this to this. Alright, so I ended up going with a 48-inch standing desk. I went with the standing desk for one reason. That's to tell people I have a standing desk. Alright, so I have this desk I'm going to put together, and not to mention I have about 20 other boxes that I got from Amazon that I'm going to be taking apart and putting together in this video. Anyways, yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so got the desk all set up. It was a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. That desk was heavy, but the assembly was actually really easy. So I'm going to move the desk into my desk area, and then we're going to unpack the rest of the boxes to finish the setup. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the desk setup itself. The next thing on the list is we got to do something about this plain empty white wall. Alright, so I'm finally finished putting everything together. Despite the short B-roll sequence, the whole desk setup actually took me a few days to complete. Anyways, let me give you the quick rundown of the desk setup and all the specs. For the desk itself, I went with a 48-inch by 30-inch standing desk. This desk is actually the coolest desk I've ever had. I really like the fact that you can stand and adjust it. And not to mention, this desk is like extremely sturdy. On my last desk, my monitors would kind of bounce around every time I would type on the keyboard or move my mouse, but with this desk everything kind of just stays put the way you would expect it. For my monitors, I'm using a dual monitor setup, both Asus monitors. My main monitor is a 144 Hz and my secondary monitor is a 60 Hz monitor. If you're interested in the models, the links will be in the description below, along with everything else with this desk setup. The monitor setup actually came with my last desk setup. I do have plans to upgrade to an ultra wide in the future, but I didn't really want to spend an arm and a leg on this whole setup, so for this iteration of the Dream Desk, unfortunately that will not be included. My keyboard is a Vortex 3 race keyboard. I've had this keyboard for nearly 2 years. I originally got it for gaming purposes due to its compactness. By far my favorite keyboard that I've ever had. I upgraded my mouse from the Logitech G502 to the Logitech G502 wireless. I'm a huge fan of this model. I've been wanting to get the wireless for some time now because it's just one less cord you have to deal with. And my PC, to be honest, it's nothing special. I don't think it's worth going over. I got it like 5 years ago. An upgrade is due in the future, but for now, it gets the job done. And finally, the mic I'm using is a Blue Yeti microphone with a tenor boom pole mount. I've had this mic for a while. I really do enjoy the quality, and for the price, I think it's a great mic. For quality of life things, I have this plain black notebook for note-taking, a dimmable Edison light bulb, and a drawer set up right next to the desk for things like cords and other accessories. I installed acoustic foam in an effort to reduce audio when I'm recording. This shelf, mostly for the aesthetic, and finally some RGB lights because I'm a tryhard. It may sound cheesy, but I've been using this desk for about a week, and it definitely has made me at least feel more productive. But I do think having a nice area to work, especially if you're working from home, is a really good idea. Anyways, that's all I got for today. Let me know what you think about the setup. As always, make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.